Hi everyone, Sarah Beth Owens, Realtor here. I am here in a furnace room to show a furnace. Why? Because I wanted to give a quick little maintenance tip to all homeowners and future homeowners out there. If you have a furnace as your heat source or a furnace with a heat pump and or air conditioning unit, you should probably get that serviced once a year. Yes, most people don't. And then buildup happens and, it lowers the life expectancy, et cetera, et cetera. And it's something that always comes up on home inspections for buyer clients. And if you're a seller, it's going to come up on your home inspection. Buyer's probably going to ask for it to be done. Average cost of a furnace servicing is right around 150 to 250, depending. Could be a little bit more depending if there's more to it. But it's not that expensive and it helps keep your system alive longer. Also changing out the filtration. Some have like inner filtration systems where you just open that up, pull out the filter and clean that out. Others are located in other portions of the house, and that you should be doing monthly, especially in the wintertime when that furnace is running. So hope that helps. Little tidbit.